Children, Namaste. Today we are going to see a new lesson. Shall we go to the lesson? Our new lesson name is Food and Health. We have learned that to remain healthy, our body requires the right amount of nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. We get these nutrients from the food we eat or our diet. A balanced diet consists of the right nutrients in the right amounts. People who eat a balanced diet are generally healthy and lead better lives. Healthy children learn more in school and outside. Unfortunately, there are many people in this world who do not get nutritious food for various reasons. Poverty is a major reason for people not being able to eat nutritious food. A lack of awareness about the nutritional content of different kinds of food is also a reason. People from certain communities or religions do not eat certain kind of food because their religion forbids them from doing so. Excessive and unscientific methods of processing and cooking can diminish the nutrition content of the food. In some households, women and girls are discriminated against and do not get enough nutritious food. Inadequate nutritional content or malnutrition causes children's deaths worldwide. Poverty leads to malnutrition. Malnutrition affects people's ability to work and to lead productive lives. So, an important reason why poor people remain poor is because they do not get enough food to eat. Shortage of food. There are times when farmers are not able to grow enough food. Crops fail either because of lack of rainfall or due to floods. At times like these, when there are more people and less food, the prices go up and the poor suffer because they cannot buy food at such high prices. Such a situation, when people have no food for a long time and they start dying of hunger, is called famine. There are also times when food shortage is created artificially. This happens when enough food is produced but is not released in the market so as to keep the price high. The traders hoard food grains and make more money by selling them at substantially higher prices. Deficiency diseases. We know that food gives us energy to work and play. It helps us grow and gives our body strength to fight diseases. When people do not get required amount of nutrition, they become weak and are unable to lead productive lives. Diseases which are caused by lack of adequate amounts of essential nutrients in our food are called deficiency diseases. Now let us see about the malnutrition. There are many children who do not get enough food to eat. Such children suffer from malnutrition. They look pale and weak. Malnutrition occurs in children between the ages of 1 to 5. A child suffering from malnutrition may show all some of the following symptoms. They develop a big stomach as the stomach is filled with water, get sores on their skin, have thin upper arms, get tired easily, show very slow growth, have thin and light hair. Malnourished children can become healthy if they receive sufficient quantity of nutrition. Okay children, is it clear for you all? Is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me over the phone. Bye. Thank you.